To be able to calculate potential and kinetic energies on a slope, we've got a slope there which has got the left hand end up at that height and the right hand lower end at that height. So you've got a difference in height. You've got the mass of the block in grams and the length of the block, which is going to go through a light gate. That's the length of the slope which you'll need to work out the force from work done. So the block's put at the top, allowed to slide down, and it breaks the light gate at the bottom there. The time that the light gate is broken by the length of the block is shown there on the timer. This is repeated because at higher you need to be able to work out the mean of the readings and also the approximate random uncertainty in your readings. You can do a similar demonstration here with a trolley, hopefully with less friction. And so measurements here are the upper height. We're taking to 90 millimeters, which is the top surface, and that's the lower height, again to the top surface of the ramp. That's the mass of the trolley, which you'll need to convert into kilograms. And so we can get the speed from the timer box. We've got the length of the card, which is 10 centimeters, and that's programmed into the timer to give the speed given directly. In this case, the speed is going out on the timer there, and if we repeat that, you'll see that there's very little difference in the readings, so there's no need to take uncertainty in this experiment.